kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're gonna make snickerdoodles. These are wonderful cinnamon cookies, and normally they have cream of tartar in it. Cream of tartar in the cookie makes it spread and give it a crackly look, but I didn't have any, and I need to make these for an event. So what I'm gonna use instead is baking powder and baking soda, and that's why there's 1 tablespoon of baking powder. It'll be the reaction between these two which will give it that crinkly look since we don't have the cream of tartar. And of course, we're gonna add flour, sugar, salt, cinnamon, vanilla, butter, and eggs. So let me get everything mise en place and I will show you how to make them.
Please click like and subscribe so we can bring you more recipes.
When your butter is nice and soft, you should be able to squeeze it and go like that. I've let it sit out at room temperature, and we are now gonna put it into our stand mixer. And I'm gonna use the paddle attachment to beat it and soften it up a bit more before I add in our sugar. While that's mixing, I'm gonna add together our dry ingredients. So here's our 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I'm using this beautiful kosher sea salt. Regular table salt is fine. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And we would stir this all together so that way when we add it to the butter, it'll be nice and well combined. Now that we've beaten the butter, you want to scrape down the sides of the bowl with a spatula and get it all off of the paddle attachment before we add in our sugar. And this is 1½ cups of granulated sugar. And we're gonna now mix this together until it is light and fluffy. And now that our butter and sugar is light and fluffy, we're gonna add the eggs 1 at a time and wait until it's completely incorporated before we add the next one. And again, I prefer to mix everything on low speed. Before I'm gonna add the next egg, I'm gonna scrape down the sides of the bowl and the paddle again to make sure everything is being incorporated properly. There we go, and our final egg. Once you see all of the eggs have been completely combined, we're now going to add in our 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's get it in there every little bit. When I'm adding in my dry ingredients, I prefer to take the paddle attachment off so that way it doesn't obstruct us getting all of our dry ingredients in here. There we go. And now again, I'm gonna mix this on low speed until it comes together as a dough. It's almost come together, and before it does, I'm gonna stop it and again, once more, scrape down the sides of the bowl and the paddle. Because you can see there's some flour and even a little bit of butter here stuck. So let's scrape it down and then we'll finish mixing it. There we go. Here is our beautiful cookie dough. Now I'm going to scoop it into a bowl to make it easier for us to portion. We're going to mix 1 teaspoon of cinnamon with 1/3 cup of sugar. And when we scoop our cookies, we're going to roll them in our hands in a little ball and then toss them in the sugar, put them on the sheet pan to bake, and it'll give that wonderful extra cinnamon flavor. Here they are right out of the oven. That was 325 for 12 minutes, and I rotated it halfway through. And look, we've got that crinkly, crunchy look exterior. Here are our amazing snickerdoodle cookies. Oh, I can't wait to take a bite. Nice and crunchy. Oh, that was absolutely delicious. Our snickerdoodle cookies, tons of cinnamon. Look at that chewy interior and a crisp exterior. Absolutely wonderful. I hope this inspires you to make them at home. Thank you so much for watching. There are tons of recipes on the YouTube channel, and the recipe will be in the description below. And leave me a comment. Let me know how you like it. Thank you. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.